Introducing the Waterco Multicyclone, an award-winning centrifugal pre-filter that has changed the game in pool maintenance. With its uniquely designed water filtration system, this revolutionary unit not only removes up to 80% of dirt and debris before it reaches your pool filter, but also uses significantly less water and saves you time and money. It's time to start saving time and money on unnecessary maintenance or replacement filters. With the Multicyclone, your pool will work smarter, giving you and your loved ones maximum enjoyment for years to come. The Multicyclone is the ultimate pre-filtration solution that can be adapted to almost any type of system or scenario. Requiring no extra pad space, it sits between the pump and filter and has been designed to improve the performance of cartridge filters, sand filters, DE filters, in-floor cleaning systems, suction cleaners, and even ozone pools, acting as both a filter and mixing chamber. And because the Multicyclone works with almost all brands of equipment, it can either be installed new or added to an existing poolside setup with ease. The secret is in its cyclonic action, where water is drawn tangentially into multiple hydrocyclones, creating a powerful centrifugal effect. Any dirt or debris up to 30 microns in size is spun out to the wall of the unit before spiralling down to its clear sediment chamber. Meanwhile, the filtered water, now free of debris, is drawn toward the centre of the hydrocyclone, where the flow is reversed, allowing it to spiral upwards and out of the Multicyclone unit. The clear chamber makes for easy viewing of sediment accumulation, with removal a breeze thanks to its one-step purge system. And because the Multicyclone operates using the pure power of cyclonic force, there are no filters to clean, no moving parts, and no wear and tear. Just reliable, maintenance-free removal of up to 80% of dirt and debris. The Multicyclone requires just 15 litres to operate and can significantly reduce backwash wastewater in a typical sand-filtered domestic pool by up to 7,000 litres. It also extends the life of filter cartridges and reduces cleaning frequency, saving you valuable time. By allowing the rest of your equipment to operate at optimal performance, you will also save money on extra maintenance and servicing across the life of your pool. Time saving, cost saving, and water saving. The internationally certified Multicyclone saves the day in pool upkeep. Since launching in 2007, Waterco's Multicyclone technology has continued to impress with its innovative design, which has earned it more than a dozen product and design awards around the globe.